Eighth, the right fielder, Manuel Margot, and batting ninth, the first baseman, Andrew Navigano. One down as Lee takes outside, ball one. And a chopper hit slowly up the third base line. Gonna have to hurry from Castillo. He's got no shot.
Nope.
Lee beats that out. Infield hit.
And maybe that's what Hao-Yu Lee needed to get going.
Yep, 1 for 8 in the 2 games so far in this series with a walk, but gets a little infield hit there. Not hit all that hard, 78 miles per hour off the bat, but with Lee's speed and the fact that Castillo was playing back, that aided. Later, and here they are. They can't do anything wrong. And Toledo can't seem to do anything right. Fly ball, foul territory down the right field line.
150 at the AAA level, because you can't look at a segment of the season and judge a team.
Yep, you certainly can. You get hot stretches, you get cold stretches, things go well for you, swinging a foul ball up and out of play off the bat of Lee.
I think the reason I say that is you and I are both Tiger fans. We're very pumped up about this year's Tiger team.
The 0-2 pitch, low and outside. That's why you don't see
35 and 5.
Yep. Pop up off the bat of Lee, in play, coming in and calling for Castillo and foul ground. He'll make the grab. And the Mudhens go quickly and quietly in their half. As we're quickly 2 outs here in the bottom of the 6th. He's still not to 60 pitches yet. Well, Mike Jersley says to himself, you know what, if he doesn't have any pitchers that he has to use tonight, like, what a spot he's in, huh?
Yeah, because you can then save your bullpen for the remaining games of the series.
He could let this roll right now and just say, all right, I'm going to have a well-rested bullpen the rest of the way, no doubt. P.J. Poulin is loosening up down in that Mudhens bullpen. He might be coming into the next inning. Lee going to drive one to left on the run, and coming in to make the grab is Melendez, and the Mudhens go down in order, 1, 2, 3. As Andrew Hoffman takes over for Eric Sarantola, the Montreal Canadian native. Went an inning and walked 2, but got around that. Look at the numbers for Hoffman.
And I think the difference in the Mudhens right now, their offense is scuffling. When they were going through their hot streak, whenever they had a hit and a walk in an inning, they would take advantage of it and get 3-4 runs.
Yep. Last inning, they had 2 walks. Couldn't do anything with them.
Nothing. Yep.
They didn't move. Hoffman's a 25-year-old native of Plainfield, Illinois, as he'll fire a strike in a good fast. And Jace Young will get a chance to extend that on-base streak you talked about last time up.
Yep.
And the pitch from Hoffman, low and outside. Make it 2 balls and 2 strikes.
You know,
as a swing and a foul. The 2-2. That's up and in. Now you know how I feel.
Yeah, I can only imagine.
Juggling the 2 sports for 2 months.
It's a good thing in that the Walleye made it all the way to the finals, but
actually almost 2.5, really, if you think about it, with the start in late March. And the 3-2. That one hit high in the air down the right field line. This is going to get down up against the wall for Hao-Yu Lee. He's going to cruise into second. Ball is bobbled down in the corner, and into third goes Hao-Yu Lee for the 3-bagger.
Hao-Yu Lee, that's a good piece of hitting right here. Watch him drive this ball the opposite way where it was pitched. No chance for the outfielder. He was trying to play the hop.
And Lee just kept right on going. So the 4th triple on the year for Hao-Yu Lee. Came off the bat at 102 miles an hour. He routinely will touch triple digits with his exit velocities.
Right, and it'll be great right now.
See him over there.